One quotation. To err is human and to forgive is divine. What does it mean? Do you know the meaning? To err is human and to forgive is divine. What is the meaning of this line?
To air.
Yes, there is a Bengali saying, Manush matrai bhul আর ভগবান মাত্রই ক্ষমা. This is the English line. Okay, so according to the line, human beings make mistake. God does not make mistake, and we are not God. Okay, if you think that you are God, then you should feel shy for your mistake. Are you God?
No, sir.
Then
Never.
Then you will make mistake, and I should make mistake. They should make mistake because we are human beings. We are not God. Okay, and listen one more thing. Whoever is listening to you, जो भी सुन रहा है ना तुम्हारी बातें, समझ लेना वो जो सुनने वाला है ना वो भी परफेक्ट नहीं है. वो जो सुनने वाला है ना चाहे जितना भी टैलेंटेड, द मोस्ट इंटेलिजेंट पर्सन इन द होल वर्ल्ड, ही ऑल्सो डज नॉट क्लेम दैट आई नो एवरीथिंग. उसका भी वो दम नहीं है ये बोलने के लिए कि आई नो एवरीथिंग, आई नेवर मेक मिस्टेक. बोल ही नहीं पाएगा अगर इंसान हो तो. So who the hell we are to say that we should not make mistake? We are not God. Okay, ऐसे confidence को बढ़ाओ. English छोटा सा एक language है, just only language, you know, by which we exchange our ideas. Our ideas, it's really worth spreading to the world. You are connected with the world. Share what is rare. खुद को दिखाओ. हाँ, I was also born in this world. I have also my own value. Like Swami Vivekananda said, leave an impression. Your impression before you leave the world. ठीक है, ऐसे courage करो ना. मिस्टेक ठीक है. Why do you feel that I am shy, I am hesitant, I am less confident? Okay, tell me, Sudeshna, tell me, when do people feel that they are less confident and they are shy?
Most of the time, even they know the word and even they can understand what people are saying. You know, people are talking in English, but they can understand. It means they know English, right? But the thing is, which make them more less courage, and why they feel shy because there is a particular word, but I don't know how to say it. But
Slang word.
okay.
Slang word. Are you thinking about the slang word?
No, not slang word.
No, sometimes you say
the
so many
particular
American
word.
slangs. What the hell? Huh?
What the hell, sir? Not that one.
Yeah, I know. I know. You are thinking about that one, not the hell. I know.
Okay, so sir, because of less courage and one more thing, and there is one more reason why people shy, because they have less access to access. So of course they have less access to speak in English. They have less
Access. First time you're right.
okay,
Access.
Okay, access. So they have less access and communication, communicate, they were not able to communicate with people most of the time. Even if before joining this class, even I was also feeling shy and I was also feeling nervous.
Okay.
But after joining your classes, and then I'll become more confident. Of course, and this make people confident when we try to communicate with each other daily, face to face, or in a week, or every day. But
Okay, Sudeshna,
people
one
will
thing.
become
One more
shy.
thing. Why do you feel that you got more confidence after joining my classes? What are the factors or what are the situations that made you more confident after joining my classes? Tell me.
Yeah, this is all because of you. You gave me such such
Strength.
greater chance to communicate with others in offline classes as well as online classes,
Okay.
face to face.
Okay.
And if we talk with people face to face, and as you told us that like this is the only way we can we can express our speaking skills and like improve our communication skills with others if we
Yes.
talk daily, and this is all because of you, because like yeah, so that's
Thank you so much. Thank you that you're getting a lot of benefits for your communication skill and its improvement. Very nice tips. Okay. Anyway, one more thing, Mampi ma'am. I told you, I gave you some advice when you told me that you make mistakes, right? So, what
Yes.
was my advice to avoid your mistake? To encourage you. What did I say when you said I make mistakes?
No, sir, I can't.
See, come on the camera, come on the camera.
What do I say? No, sir.
Hey, see,
Too much
behaving.
difficult for me.
Why too much difficult? You were just speaking so nicely just a while ago and you're saying like that. You know, like my encouragement is not working at all maybe. इतना encourage किया कि human beings, if you are human beings, you should make mistake. If you are a god, you should not make mistake. You should, yes. If you are human beings, you should make mistake. If you are a god, you should not make mistake. Now think who you are.
I'm human being.
So you make mistake. You're welcome to make mistake in this beautiful Google Meet class.
Okay, sir.
Now
I
tell
will try.
Yes. Tell me, should we feel less confident? Should we feel negative way that I don't understand, I don't know how to speak? Should we think like this?
No, sir.
So how can you get more confidence?
By talking each other.
Yes, you are speaking nicely. Okay,
Yes.
and your voice intonation is nice. What do you think, Rumpa ma'am, Pinky ma'am? What do you think about Pinky? Sorry, I get confused about the names. Huh. Rumpa ma'am, tell me, what do you feel about the English presentation of Mampi ma'am?
I think she has potentialities to be a speaker, but she feels shy to speak in front of you because lots of inferiority in her, I
But,
think.
but why should she feel inferiority? She is just learning and I'm
Yes.
teaching. If you feel inferior to me, think about what would happen when you speak outside before the public.
Yes, because
If you
she-
make mistake, I will teach you. Right? If you make mistake outside with the people, they will rate you.
I felt same when I came first to you.
Hmm.
That time my condition was like almost like them, not equal, but almost like them.
Yeah. So how did you feel? How are you feeling after attending my classes, online and offline?
Oh, you are Superman to me, yes. Because I am very much. I was very much nervous and less confident that time, and now I am progressing myself and I can speak English. I
Very
know I also made mistakes, but I'm progressing.
Yes,
a lot.
definitely,
I know.
definitely, definitely.
Definitely, yes.
As I said, that we human beings make mistake.
Yes,
Right.
but we are not God.
God.
So, yes. So
But maybe Mampi ma'am is thinking
and
that
we
she's
still-
God.
and
No, sir. No. No, sir.
there may be lots of mistakes.
Hmm.
After many mistakes, you can achieve your success.
Absolutely.
Otherwise, you will not.
And I noticed one more thing, Rumpa ma'am, whenever she is talking in English, nowadays she is also inspiring. Every line she is telling, that is also quite inspiring for the others, encouraging. You're copying my thoughts, like, see,
Yes,
students become exactly like their mentor, like their teacher.
Yes,
And that's what you're proving eventually, day by day. You're from Bengali medium. Okay, leave Sudesh now because she's from English medium, right? But think about yourself. You are from pure raw Bengali medium background.
Yes,
But
yes.
still you are speaking in an inspiring way. You are encouraging others. Okay?
Because yes, I am following you, and I will follow you. And whenever I will not with you, I will
Stay
just
connected socially
yes,
by the social platforms.
Then I also follow you anywhere. I can find you in YouTube also. So I will follow definitely.